Hi all, welcome again. Today we will see tricky question 3. A very prime number is an odd number. True or false? Explain. The answer is false. Because the definition of a prime number says that a prime number is a natural number that has exactly two distinct factors, one and itself. Got it? So, as per the definition, 2 is a prime number because it has exactly two distinct factors, one and itself. But 2 is an even number. Hence, the statement is false. Got it? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.